In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change language in Steam, and I'll break it down into the three places that matter most: the Steam interface, individual games, and your store and community preferences. This is super useful if you accidentally installed Steam in the wrong language, if you want your menus in one language and your games in another, or if you want to see more content in different languages while browsing the store. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's change the language for the Steam client itself. This affects the Steam menus, the store, your library, and most of the app interface. Open Steam and look at the top left corner of the window. Click Steam, then choose Settings. If you're not sure where that is, it's usually the second to last option in the list. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Interface. You'll recognize it by the monitor or screen icon. Now look at the very top of the interface page. You should see a drop-down menu labeled Steam Client Language. Click that drop-down and select the language you want Steam to use. Once you choose a new language, Steam will usually prompt you to restart. Click Restart Steam when it appears and let the app close and reopen. After Steam restarts, the menus and buttons should now be displayed in your selected language. Next, let's say you want Steam itself to stay in one language, but you want a specific game to use a different one. This is perfect if you speak more than one language or if a game has better audio, subtitles, or text in another region. To do this, go to your library and find the game you want to change. Right-click the game title and select Properties. Inside the Properties window, stay on the General tab. Look for the Language drop-down menu. Click it, then choose your preferred language for that game. In some cases, Steam may need to download a language pack before the game can launch in the new language, so don't worry if you see a small update start running. That's completely normal. Once the download is finished, launch the game and the language change should take effect. Now for the third part, which is store and community preferences. This is helpful if you want Steam pages, game descriptions, or community content to appear in more than one language without changing your whole interface. To get there, click your profile name in the top right corner of Steam and select Account Details. On the next page, look to the left and click Language Preferences. Here you can add secondary languages. This lets Steam show you more content from languages you choose, which is especially useful if you browse international games or want better search results and reviews. After selecting the languages you want, scroll down and click Save at the bottom. So to quickly recap, if you want to change Steam's menus and buttons, use the Steam client language in Settings. If you want to change just one game, go to that game's properties and use the language dropdown. And if you want more flexible language results for the store and community, open Language Preferences from your account details and add secondary languages there. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Steam tutorials and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.